everyone. We are here at KubeCon Detroit 2022, and I'm here with Matt. Matt, how's this going? How has the conference been for you?
Great. So this has been my first conference, my first KubeCon conference, and it's been awesome. So having a ton of fun.
Amazing. So in this video, in this interview, we're going to talk a little bit more about all the chaos engineering discussions that happened at KubeCon. I know you have a booth, you have a harness booth, so obviously you've got a lot of folks, coming in. It's right on the, near the carpet. So from all the discussions you had, but before we move forward with that, from all the questions you got, can you maybe tell us a little bit more about what is chaos engineering and why are people talking about it?
Yeah, so chaos engineering, put simply, is you can inject faults into your system to test the resilience mechanisms, to validate that your system can respond and recover, basically become more reliable and all that.
Amazing.
So,
and from the discussions you had at the booth, I'm sure you attended some amazing talks as well that you can share about later on. What are some of the challenges that people are facing that chaos engineering is helping to solve?
Yeah, so a couple things. So we've talked to site reliability engineers this week a ton. They're the protectors of production, and they're looking for tools to help with that reliability. So we've been teaching and training them on what they can do with chaos engineering in production. So they respond to incidents, they get it fixed, they run the chaos experiments to validate that the fix is corrected, and then they push that experiment, shift it left to the developers. So the developers can also test that in a staging environment or pre-production. So that's been really great for SREs, just trying to help them, because they've been getting pager fatigue, just getting paged at 2 a.m. in the morning and responding. So practicing chaos engineering can help them build reliable systems and sleep better too. So
amazing. So since this is a wrap up for this topic at KubeCon, any talks you'd recommend folks to check out?
So we've been talking to developers a lot too, and shifting chaos engineering to the developer, because the next step that we're seeing is just integrations with CI/CD platforms. And Uma and Karthik from the Litmus Chaos Project have some talks upcoming today just about the Litmus community and what they're building with that. And then for recorded sessions, FIS Global the other day talked about the chaos that they're building with Litmus in their community too. So
amazing. Can you share a little bit more about any new announcements in the chaos engineering community that happened during this KubeCon?
For this, so Litmus announced their 3.0 beta that they're going to be doing as they move forward with trying to get to that graduated state from incubating. They're building out projects to get beta testers from the Litmus community. So we've been talking a lot about that. And then Harness in general just announced our chaos engineering integration with our continuous delivery platform. So now developers can just easily add a chaos experiment as a step in their pipeline with automatic rollbacks and resiliency scores. So
that's amazing.
Yeah.
And my last question to you is, if you look at the trends, and if you talk about 2-3 years down the line, what are some of the trends we're likely to see in the field of chaos engineering?
Yeah, I think it's really just making chaos engineering a team sport. So SREs, QA engineers, developers all working together on a shared reliability goal. Leveraging service level objectives with chaos engineering and just kind of improving reliability in general, microservice at a time, service by service.
Amazing. Well, thanks for sharing, Matt. And
thanks for the interview. Appreciate it.
Thanks everyone for joining in. If you want to learn more about it, you can check out the links in the description below. And for more KubeCon clips, follow Civo TV on YouTube.